Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
I found the Vivo V40 Pro listed on the NBTC certification site, suggesting it's likely to be globally launched soon. It features a fast refresh rate 1.5K AMOLED display, a flagship-grade processor, a super slim design, a flagship camera setup, fast charging, and more. This phone is essentially a rebranded version of the Vivo S19 Pro launched in China, where Vivo's S series is marketed globally under the V series name. Today, I'll be unboxing and sharing my first impressions of the Vivo V40 Pro, which focuses on its camera capabilities. Hey everyone, it's Mikey from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. Here's the box of the Vivo S19 Pro, which will be launched globally as the Vivo V40 Pro. Inside the box, you'll find the user manual, a SIM ejector tool, an 80-watt power adapter, a data cable, and a transparent case. Now talking about the design and build of the Vivo V40 Pro. It comes in a misty blue color. One of the most unique features of this phone is its Aura light, which is not only on the back but also on the front. The back of the phone has attractive textures that resemble ceramic effects. The phone features a 6.78-inch screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a curved display. It offers a 1.5K resolution and a 10-bit color depth, along with a hardware-level blue light filter. The screen can reach a maximum brightness of 1200 nits. It's worth noting that the Vivo V40 has a flat screen, and I'll be unboxing and reviewing it tomorrow, so stay tuned to our channel. Both phones share similar screen specs, with the V40 Pro having a curved screen and the V40 having a flat one. Looking at the dimensions of the Vivo V40 Pro, the phone is 7.58mm thick and weighs 192 grams. It's 74.93mm wide, making it easy to hold with one hand. Despite being slim and lightweight, it has a huge 5500 mAh battery. In a 3-hour endurance test, watching 1080p video for 1 hour consumes 8% of the battery. Using social media for 30 minutes consumes 6% of the battery. Watching TikTok for 30 minutes consumes 5% of the battery. Playing King of Glory for 30 minutes consumes 11% of the battery, while playing Genshin Impact for 30 minutes consumes 20% of the battery. This time, the Vivo V40 Pro gets an upgrade in its camera department. The phone features a 50-megapixel main camera with a Sony IMX921 sensor, which has a sensor size of 1.56 inches. This sensor was jointly developed by Vivo and Sony. The main camera also has a large aperture of f1.88. The main sensor also supports optical image stabilization, and it's paired with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX 8-on-16 telephoto portrait lens and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. You can see sample photos here, showcasing Vivo's signature style of realistic images. The sunset photo, for instance, looks beautiful with excellent color restoration. Additionally, photos taken with the telephoto camera are also impressive, benefiting from 4Eye's lossless zoom support. Even at 10x zoom, the photo quality remains usable with good detail. Portrait photos benefit from the ability to use the full focal length range on the Vivo V40 Pro. This phone supports capturing portrait photos in 5 focal segments, a unique feature. You can use focal lengths like 24mm, 35mm, capture photos close to what the human eye sees at 50mm, get good results at 85mm, and capture detailed expressions at 100mm. Not only that, but you can also capture portrait photos at night with the Vivo V40 Pro. The phone's Aura light on the back plays a crucial role here. Normally, capturing photos at full focal length in low light requires studio-grade soft light. However, the V40 Pro provides soft light, allowing you to capture photos at 24mm, 50mm, and 100mm focal lengths. The light adjusts according to the focal length, with shadows becoming bigger and more concentrated as the focal length increases. You can see the results for yourself here. So, in summary, you can easily capture night-angle portrait shots with bright and clear results using the Vivo V40 Pro. The flash's color temperature automatically adjusts according to the environment, providing suitable light effects. Switching to the front camera, the Vivo V40 Pro features a 50-megapixel main camera with autofocus, equipped with the JN1 sensor. It covers a 90-degree field of view and includes dual soft light for capturing high-quality selfie photos. For capturing selfies in low-light conditions, the dual soft light on the front camera of the Vivo V40 Pro plays a crucial role, though it may not be as bright as the back soft light due to size limitations. You can manually adjust the color temperature on the front camera, but currently, auto adjustment isn't available. It might be introduced through a software update in the future. The Vivo V40 Pro also includes several software-level camera features, such as AI noise reduction, which is common in many smartphones today. In addition to AI noise reduction, the Vivo V40 Pro also offers various other AI-powered features. These include generating photos from different angles and applying unexpected effects. You can see some samples of AI effects here, showcasing the extensive use of AI in photos. Moving on to performance, the Vivo V40 Pro is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus processor. This means the phone not only focuses on its camera capabilities, but also delivers strong overall performance. After playing Genshin Impact at its highest settings for 30 minutes, the Vivo V40 Pro achieves an average frame rate of 57.2 FPS, with power consumption reaching up to 5.8 watts. The front temperature reaches 42.4 degrees Celsius, while the back reaches 41 degrees Celsius. This level of performance is quite impressive for a camera-centric phone. Talking about the price of the Vivo V40 Pro, the base variant starts at 39.99 Chinese yuan in China, which translates to approximately £434 in the UK and around $550 in the USA. In conclusion, the Vivo V40 Pro offers outstanding camera capabilities, not just in hardware, but also with excellent camera software features like capturing portrait photos across full focal lengths and impressive AI features. The phone also excels in performance and display quality, making it a top contender in its category. What are your thoughts on the Vivo V40 Pro? Feel free to share your questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. This is me, signing off. Thanks for watching, have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.